Ever wonder how companies turn a bunch of raw data into real-world solutions? Let's break it down.
So let's kick things off with a mystery you've probably been a part of yourself. An e-commerce company got tired of this and decided to use data to figure out why. They used a super powerful roadmap for this, called the Data Science Lifecycle. Basically, it's an 8-step process that turns any question into a real working solution. First up, they had to nail down the exact problem. Sounds simple, but it's absolutely crucial. Then, they gathered all the data they could: clicks, items in carts, even customer locations.
Next came a super important step: cleaning the data. Messy data means messy answers, right?
And once they dug into that clean data, boom, they found the culprit: shipping fees. So, they built a model to actually predict which customers were the most likely to bail.
And you bet they tested that model. They had to make sure its predictions were accurate.
So now, the system automatically sends a free shipping offer to those shoppers. Pretty clever. And it doesn't stop there. They're always monitoring and improving it with new customer data. But this whole 8-step process, it's used for way more than just shopping carts.
Think bigger: predicting when jet engines need repairs, stopping fraud, even helping doctors.
So, what's the big takeaway? Data science is just a structured way to get real answers. It makes you think, right? What mystery out there could you solve using a process like this?